Hi there, welcome to Yijin Hardware's channel. Today, we'll explore one of the most common questions in CNC machining: CNC mills versus CNC routers. What's the difference? Which one suits your needs? Let's dive in. What is a CNC router? A CNC router is a versatile machine designed for cutting, engraving, and shaping softer materials like wood, plastic, foam, and even aluminum. Think of it as an automated woodworking tool, but with far more precision and speed. Here's how it works. CNC routers follow pre-programmed instructions in the form of G-code, guiding the machine to cut intricate shapes with minimal human input. The key components include work table, holds the material in place during operation; spindle that performs cutting, engraving, or drilling; drive system, allows movement across 3 axes, X, Y, and Z; controller, the brain of the machine, translating your design into precise movements. Thanks to its automation and speed, a CNC router is perfect for creating detailed designs, large flat pieces, or prototypes where absolute precision isn't the top priority. What is a CNC mill? A CNC mill is a powerhouse machine built for precision and durability, especially when working with hard materials like stainless steel, titanium, and composites. It's also versatile enough to handle softer materials like aluminum and plastic. Here's what sets it apart. CNC mills are designed to perform high-precision cuts and work well with tight tolerances. They feature advanced models like 5-axis CNC mills, which can move the tool or part in 5 directions, allowing for complex geometries and intricate details. Like CNC routers, CNC mills rely on G-code to guide their movements, but their rigid structure and powerful tooling make them ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Key differences: CNC router versus CNC mill. 1. Materials. CNC routers best for softer materials, wood, plastics, and foam. CNC mills designed for harder materials, stainless steel, titanium, while still capable of handling softer ones. 2. Application areas. CNC routers, ideal for woodworking, sign-making, cabinetry, and rapid prototyping. CNC mills, widely used in aerospace, automotive, medical manufacturing, and industries requiring high precision. 3. Precision. CNC mills excel in accuracy and rigidity, making them suitable for parts requiring tight tolerances. CNC routers, while precise, are more suited for larger, flatter projects. 4. Cost. CNC routers are generally more affordable, with lower maintenance costs. CNC mills are a bigger investment, ideal for industries with high-demand workloads. Which one is right for you? Choose a CNC router if you need speed, affordability, and the ability to handle larger, softer materials. Opt for a CNC mill if precision, durability, and working with hard metals are your top priorities. At Yijin Hardware, we specialize in both CNC milling and CNC routing services. Whether you need prototypes or custom precision parts, we're here to deliver high-quality solutions tailored to your project. Need help deciding which CNC solution is right for you? Contact us today at yijinsolution.com. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on CNC technology and manufacturing. See you in the next video.